New side hustle. Make money online by receiving text messages. Are you interested in a simple way to earn extra money using just your smartphone and receiving SMS messages? Stick around because we're about to dive into a step-by-step guide on how to make this work for you. Imagine getting paid for doing practically nothing. No surveys, no micro-tasks, just receiving SMS messages in your phone. I'll share the ins and outs of this method, its limitations, and how you can potentially earn a few extra dollars. Let me introduce you to the Mac Money app developed by CM Telecom. This mobile application is designed to help mobile networks, similar to Verizon or T-Mobile, conduct tests and enhance the delivery of SMS messages globally. Here's a simple breakdown of how it works. Number 1. Download and install. Start by downloading and installing the Mac Money app on your smartphone. It's a straightforward process and there's no need to worry about sharing highly sensitive information. Number 2. Registration. After installation, you'll need to register by providing some basic information and your phone number. Remember, your privacy is important and you have the choice to decide whether this app is right for you. Number 3. Receiving SMS messages. Once registered, you'll begin receiving SMS messages. These messages are sent for testing purposes and you won't need to respond or take any action on your part. It's as simple as letting the messages come in. Number 4. Earnings. The amount you earn for each received message may vary, typically ranging from a few cents. While this might not seem like much, the key is that you can receive numerous messages and it all adds up over time. Number 5. Safety. Mac Money claims to be 100% safe, and during our tests, we found no issues with the security of the app. Your personal information is kept secure. Now, let's delve even deeper into the workings of the Mac Money app and explore some additional insights and tips to maximize your earnings. The power of passive income. One of the most appealing aspects of using Mac Money is its passive nature. Users don't have to actively engage with the SMS messages they receive. It's like having a small money-making machine running quietly in the background of your life. While each message may only bring in a few cents, the accumulation of these earnings can surprise you. Think of it as a financial cushion for those unexpected expenses or a way to treat yourself without dipping into your regular budget. Managing your expectations. As you embark on this journey with Mac Money, it's vital to manage your expectations. This platform isn't designed to replace your primary source of income. Instead, it's a supplementary tool to help you earn a bit more without significant effort. Realistically, users might not see substantial earnings right away. It's more about consistent accumulation over time. Message volume and earnings. The volume of SMS messages received can vary. Some days, users might receive more messages than others. Networks and operators might send out more tests during certain periods, but there's no guarantee of a steady stream of messages. This variability means that earnings may fluctuate. However, remember that users don't have to actively engage with these messages. They'll come effortlessly. Cash out threshold. To access earnings, users will need to reach a minimum balance, typically around $6. While this may seem like a small amount, it can take time to accumulate, especially if each message only brings in a few cents. The idea is to cash out once users have reached this threshold to enjoy the fruits of their passive efforts. Payment method. PayPal. When users are ready to cash out, Mac Money offers a and widely accepted payment method. PayPal. If users don't already have a PayPal account, it's relatively easy to set up. This ensures that they can access their earnings securely and use them for various online transactions or transfer them to their bank account. Privacy and security. Security is a concern for many when exploring new income-generating opportunities. Rest assured, Mac Money prioritizes user privacy and security. During registration, the information requested is minimal and doesn't involve highly sensitive data. Additionally, there have been no reported alarming security issues. However, it's always a good practice to exercise caution and only share information that users are comfortable providing. Geographic Considerations. It's important to note that the availability and functionality of Mac Money may vary by geographic location. While the platform has been successful for many users, location and local mobile networks could influence the experience. If users encounter any issues or limitations, they can share them with the community in the comments section below. Their feedback can be valuable to others considering Mac Money. Setting realistic goals. When users initially begin using Mac Money, setting realistic goals is essential. To reach substantial earnings, users would need to receive a considerable number of messages daily. However, it's important to remember that Mac Money is better suited as a side hustle or a way to earn supplementary income. It can help cover small expenses or provide extra spending money without becoming a primary income source. The joy of passive earnings. Imagine waking up in the morning to find a few more dollars in your account without lifting a finger. That's the beauty of passive income. And Mac Money provides a practical avenue for it. While it won't replace your regular job, it can contribute to your financial well-being in a stress-free manner. So here's your opportunity to try Mac Money. Install the app, register, and start receiving SMS messages effortlessly. After a month, I invite you to return to this video and share your earnings in the comments section. Let's find out if this can be a side hustle that makes a difference in your financial life. Now, as we wrap up our discussion on earning money through SMS messages, let's focus on your path to financial freedom. It's essential to invest in your financial growth and commit to your goals. Remember, these opportunities are here to help you succeed, but it's up to you to take that step. By exploring Mac Money and other avenues we've discussed, you're already on the right track to bolstering your financial well-being. Keep nurturing your financial knowledge and continue seeking ways to enhance your financial stability. In the world of finance, knowledge truly is power. Until next time, take care, stay focused on your financial goals, and embrace the potential of passive income.